Hello everyone. This video demonstrates an elegant openwork spring-summer mesh knitting pattern. We will knit with different needles on each side, using the thick hook on the wrong side and the thin one on the right side. The pattern consists of 4 stitches and 4 rows. To begin, cast on a multiple of 4 stitches. Then, add 2 extra stitches to create an offset between the rows, and finish with 2 edge stitches. Let's start with the thin hook on the right side. Slip the edge loop first. Then we work with loops in groups of 4. Knit the first stitch through the back loop. Without slipping it from the left needle, knit the first and second stitches together. In the same way, knit the first, second, and third stitches together. Finally, knit the 4 stitches together, then slip them all from the left needle. Again, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 3 together, and knit 4 together. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row when 2 loops are left. Knit the 2 last loops. In the second row, we knit on the wrong side with the thick hook to make the long loops. Slip the edge loop first, then knit all stitches to the end of the row. The third row is on the right side, with the thin hook. Slip the edge loop first. Knit 2 loops to shift the pattern. Then work with loops in groups of 4. Knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 3 together, and knit 4 together. Again, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 3 together, and knit 4 together. In the 4th row, we knit on the wrong side with the thick hook to make the long loops. Slip the edge loop first, then knit all stitches to the end of the row. This method creates a unique knitted fabric with a distinct texture suitable for any season or type of yarn. It is perfect for summer clothing because it is airy and meshy. Scarves, summer vests, and beach caps can all be made with this knitting pattern. I hope this information has been helpful and you'll find this knitting technique useful in future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Knot Space Shop icon to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.